High.
I was gonna say Oreo.
I'm not gonna tell her. I really want to do it. Round down the top edges of each cake. Footage. People in town. You know, it's like, release the hounds. Like, release the buttercream. You're right. Okay.
Well, then you're fired. Cody was.
Insert Cody's sound like, oh. Since I met Clay Sugar, no, it's already good. No. Me neither. I give up. I need a white flag. I want to thank Jeremy for sponsoring and collaborating on this video. An exclamation mark, close bracket, period. One wrong move. One wrong. And it says something totally different, and I won't even know what it says. I don't know. I need you to let me know. Do you think so? He could create an entire monster and he couldn't think of a name? Babynames.com, dude. Hello. Ever so slightly wider at the base than it is at the top. And I'm going to the beach. No.
Did you just make that up?
I did. It's amazing.
That was perfect. It was very good.
Winter camping.
Let's just let it finish.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm with you. Just go on.
But you're talking about,
I didn't even contemplate winter camping. Like, you know what never falls over? Hotels. Anyway. It's going to be an awkward dance, guys. I have like a pinched nerve. I'll be like, I can only dance on this side. Okay? I love the scene Hyder opening Orhan. Thank you so much. You want to ride off into the sunset through a field of vases? Are we going out later? Okay, good. List. I'm going to crumb cake this Coke.
Crumb cake this Coke.
I got cocky.
16?
28.
You knew that?
No, it's you.
Oh, I was like, wow. She tried to run across the border herself and get them. She didn't make it back in time. Imagine I went to taste it. A lot of people don't have mailboxes. I have to tell them.
It's true.
I have a thing for wax seals. And I don't mean seals made out of wax.